Musamseleku rushed to have a child with Makwela because he want Makwela to stack or to beg him. Why Musamseleku didn't wait even to sleep with Makwela? Those people, guys, where they are sleeping together or they book a hotel or what, we don't understand. Because sometimes you are in rush. Guys, Musamseleku, he is too old to give a person like Makwela pregnant and leave Makwela to her parents' house and say he want to settle things with his wife. Musamseleku have to settle things with his wives before he pregnanted Makwela with that child. Musamseleku, guys, sometimes I don't understand. Maybe he want Makwela to start because he knows that when he gave Makwela a child, Makwela will always be on him now, or to tolerate him, or to be on stack. I don't understand men why they want to do like that to women. Musamseleku told Makwela to quit her job to give her child a child now, and Musamseleku doesn't have power to bring Makwela in Muzumbe. We don't understand because was the one who have got power to bring Makwela in Muzumbe, and now give Makwela's family an excuse that I want to settle things with my wives. Musamseleku thinks that his wives, they can say Makwela have to come. I don't understand. Because Makwela now is pregnant, guys, with a second child, or she have got a second child with Musamseleku. Why they are having that baby, guys? Where they are sleeping? Maybe Macele gave them a room or what? Why Macele tolerate those things Musamseleku is doing for that child? Because Macele have to think about Makwela. Makwela, she is still a child and she can go back to school or to go to work. You understand it? Musamseleku doesn't want Makwela to be free to go to work, and he was in rush to give Makwela a child because Makwela, she is going to be desperate. Why Musamseleku doesn't wait to sleep with Makwela or to have a child with Makwela? He first to settle things with his wives. I think so, than to be in rush to have a child with that girl. Because Musamseleku is the example of his kids. What his kids they are learning. Sometimes we can say Sneh what, but Sneh take it from her father Musamseleku.